Pop! That sound of someone cracking their knuckles is either satisfying or totally gross. But does it actually hurt your joints? The pop isn't your bones rubbing, it's just tiny bubbles of gas collapsing in your joint fluid. And the big myth? That cracking your knuckles gives you arthritis. Scientists have studied it, even one doctor who cracked only one hand for decades. Result? No extra arthritis. So crack away if it feels good. The worst thing is probably just annoying the people around you. One fact down, a million more to go. Stay curious. This has been FactSnack with Teddy.